Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve SEO strategies with Moz, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your SEO strategies with Moz, begin by creating a free Moz account. Once logged in, explore the Moz Pro dashboard, which provides an overview of your SEO tools. Start with the site crawl feature to identify any technical issues on your website. Enter your website URL and launch the crawl. Review the report generated for insights on errors and warnings that may hinder your SEO performance. Next, use the Keyword Explorer tool to conduct keyword research. Input a seed keyword related to your industry. Analyze the suggested keywords for search volume, difficulty, and organic click-through rates. Select relevant keywords that align with your content strategy. Once you have your target keywords, incorporate them naturally into your web page content. Ensure the keywords appear in strategic locations such as the page title, headers, and throughout the body text. Next, utilize the on-page grader to evaluate your current pages. This tool analyzes content elements and provides actionable recommendations. Make adjustments based on the suggestions to enhance your on-page SEO. Next, access the Link Explorer feature to analyze your backlink profile. Enter your domain to see the number and quality of backlinks pointing to your site. Identify opportunities to acquire high-quality backlinks from authoritative sites in your niche. Use the Mozbar browser extension for on-the-go insights as you browse the web. Install it and assess the SEO metrics of any page you visit. Monitor your ranking progress regularly using the rank tracking feature. Setting up regular reports will help you track improvements over time. Finally, stay updated with Moz educational resources, such as blog posts and webinars. These materials provide valuable insights into evolving SEO practices and strategies. By consistently applying these techniques using Moz, you'll enhance your SEO strategies effectively. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, so keep refining your approach based on data and trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.